Hi, my name is Jan Ivar Korsbakken, a senior researcher at the Cicero Institute for International Climate Research in Oslo, Norway. I will present a poster about a Python package that I hope might provide some inspiration or at least pique the interest of anyone who has worked in a multi-model project with several modeling teams and had the unenviable task of enforcing variable naming standards across models and find out exactly what models are using which invalid variable names or variable unit combinations, or to ensure that everybody adheres to the same harmonized reference data for things like population, GDP, historical emissions, or other important data, and highlight how much each of them is deviating from that data per region and per year. The Python package is called IAM-validation, and it helps with precisely these tasks. So it has two main areas of functionality. One, it provides some convenient functionality that leverages the IAMC package nomenclature that maybe some of you are familiar with, which checks naming conventions and things like variable unit combinations. And two, it helps you analyze how closely output from one or more models follows time-dependent reference data that might be used for harmonization, and how well they fall within target ranges for certain variables that are used for vetting. So this last part is a major extension to another, maybe less known package called Pathways Ensemble Analysis, which was first released about a year ago. IAM validation is a refactoring and a public release of code that is currently being used in IAM COMPACT, which is a Horizon Europe project that combines very different models with the aim of answering research questions that are co-created with stakeholders. In that project, a version of the code is used to produce a web app where modeling teams can upload and check their own model output, or maintainers centrally can upload data for several models and analyze deviations for all of them at once. Now, this web app currently uses a good deal of code that is specific to IAM Compact, so it can't be used directly in other projects at the moment, but it could be made more adaptable relatively easily if there is sufficient interest. For now, though, IAM validation provides Python code and classes that you can use in your own scripts or notebooks. So if you want to hear more or flag your interest or see a brief demo, then welcome to join me in the online poster session or get in touch through my email address or links to the GitHub repository on the poster.